shock's on his back.
And we've lost her mic altogether now.
Is that shock okay?
Alright, well I think L'Oreal's going to check in on her dive buddy Bree. Bree's looking a little nervous out there, so let's see how she's doing.
That shock don't look
Wow.
okay.
Well, that was a reaction. That's a reaction you might get if you approach an animal in the wild, because you might even consider that an attack because they don't have hands to defend themselves. They only have teeth. I wonder what's wrong with Bree.
Nothing's wrong with that shock.
She's taking the big sharks out there. She is not going out of that cage. She's staying right there. Well, you know, L'Oreal, I have a great idea. I've got a safety checklist here. Let's go over that and see if maybe it'll calm Bree down some. So in order to stay the safest, you should always dive, snorkel, or swim. Number one with a buddy. All right, well, looks like the two of them are going to be buddies, so we're good there. Number two is